David Steele with our video blog. I found out today that my Sunrise calendar application is being discontinued because they were purchased by Microsoft. And I have to tell you that Sunrise application was the best calendar application you could find. So why wouldn't Microsoft simply just keep the application, build on it, and build loyalty from me to using Microsoft and using their host exchange, instead of now I have to go out and find another calendar application and probably will never use Microsoft again and hate them even more. So, bottom line, how does this work? Not many of you know about this, but I ran the Hunter sales team for Office Depot for the East Coast. And Office Depot bought Viking Stationers, which was a very successful mail order catalog. And after a couple years, they decided to change their name to Office Depot Magazine or Catalog, and they lost a lot of sales. And why not keep it the same? Is it ego? Is it ego why companies don't allow other brands to exist under their umbrella? I don't know, but at the end of the day, I can tell you from this user of Sunrise calendar application, I will not be moving over to a Microsoft product. So there you go.